Hello guys and girls, assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali and today I'm gonna be covering about, we're gonna be learning a lot of shortcuts, so let's get started. I'm gonna say Control O to open up some image that should bring up images. I'm gonna say a baby animal. Okay, so that would bring us this guy, this cute guy. Okay, and I'm gonna just put this down so it's like I can work on it. And I'm gonna name this cute guy. Yeah, why not? He is cute. Okay, so the first thing first, you know that V. What is V? It's one of the most important keys or most frequent keys I ever use. I just can't go every time there. Okay. Okay, as we are learning about this, so I'm gonna say there's something as you can see in here. In the marquee tool, you have elliptical tool and marquee tool. Okay, you can't just go there and just choose elliptical tool and then rectangle, whatever. That is stupid. So what you do is you select, press shift. Okay, then for example, for a marquee tool, I have M shortcut, so I can just click on M. Shift M would change what you have. For example, this is now rectangle. I can select rectangle and then like, okay. Okay, and as I have told you in the I think that was second tutorial. Control D would deselect anything. Okay, that would be Control D. Okay, if you zoom in, that would be Control plus or Control equals, and if you want to zoom out, that would be Control minus. Okay, and if you want to just fit to screen, or I would say like 100%. Your Control 0 would bring you fit to screen, not 100%, as you can see in here. Okay, it's fit to screen. Okay, so if you have a selection like this, but if I'm like, I don't want to select this, instead of this I want to select everything behind that, I could do that Control Shift I. So I have selected everything instead of this, his face. I can click delete and you'll see I have his face only and everything else is deleted because this section is selected. Okay, I don't know what I was about to say. Okay, let's check this guy again, and let's say Control D, and we can come back, always come back using this, right? Okay, what now? What? Let's change. Let's make it smaller, bigger. The way you can do that is Control T. The Control T would bring the transform tools, and you can just change its size. Well, the best way to change something size would be by pressing shift. By pressing shift, you make sure that everything in that it is like, yeah, perfect square or rectangle or everything, anything. For example, if this is similar to a square, so this would resize itself in perfect square shape. Okay, instead, if I don't press shift and just try changing this, as you can see, this can be changed in anything, but if I just press shift now, you're gonna see that. Okay, I think that should be a really big tip for you. Okay, escape would end this if you don't want to change anything. Okay, I would like to go back to inverse select, yeah, and say Control D, so to deselect. Okay, to make sure you have clear mind about what I said, or you're clear about what I said, I'm gonna create a rectangle. That would be this. Okay, as you can see, I've made it, but not perfect square. But if I want to make it perfect square, I'm going to say shift and then drag it. As you can see, this is turning out to be perfect square. If I don't press this, as you can see, this is not a perfect square. We can test it out. It's really awesome thing to know. Okay. Oh well, if you want to copy something, like I want to copy this layer, you can copy it by clicking and dragging it here. This will copy the thing. If you just look, yeah. But if I don't, if you like to have a shortcut, if you click on Alt and then just click and drag, this would create a copy of this. Okay, copy, another copy, another copy, another copy, another copy, and that is a lot. I can just go back to the first copy and just, yeah, and I can just delete one of these layers. Okay, we're fine until now. Okay, what do we need to learn now? We have learned a lot of stuff. We learned how to copy stuff. We have learned about this. Okay, okay. In the layers, how to select a new layer. Yeah, yeah. The way to select a new layer would be if you actually have all the shortcuts in here. For example, if you want to select everything in here, you can say Control A. That would say Control A. Every layer here will be selected, so I can move everything from. Okay, by the way, this whole layer will be selected. Sorry, whole layer will be selected. Okay, but if I okay. Okay, deselect would deselect things. I think that should be obvious. And okay, is there anything left? Zoom in, zoom out is clear. Everything is clear. I think that is all you need. Okay. Really, I think that is all you need to have a nice something for yourself. Okay, before ending, I would say that let me check. Yeah, this drill is kind of short. Let's make it a little bit longer and work on a simple project. We're gonna create a simple guy like this, not a perfect, but a simple. So we're gonna say not yeah this guy. Yeah, by the way, this guy. I've almost forget this guy. Forgot this guy. You can just change its shape by pressing square brackets. Okay, this really is good. So I need to make it smaller so I can select good stuff for him. Okay, okay, bro. Okay. Now as you can see, I've selected part of, but this part has became has be, just has been selected accidentally or unwantedly. We're going to say Alt, and then it will bring a minus sign. Then you can just erase this area, so you can have a much better selection. So as you can see, I say erase. Sorry, I say minus, and I'm erasing stuff that I don't want, that seem to be non useless. Okay, for example, this area I don't want. No one wants this area. So that's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial or other, make sure to put it in the comment box below. And make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure to say thanks. Bye bye.